Are you a community association looking at changing management? Here are some things that you should consider while you're looking for new management. To start off, I'd like for the board to take a look at the financials over the last 5 years. Now, whether or not you feel that there was mismanagement, I want to ask you the question, were you overspent on your budget the last 5 years in a row? So if the answer is no, then that's great. But if the answer is yes, that you've been overspending your budget and not putting away for reserves, then that's something that I want you to mark down and take into consideration. So if you have a reserve study, how funded are you to the reserves? And if you're underfunded on reserves, I want you to mark that down. If you're funded on your reserves, then that's great. Keep moving on. Next, how many community association management companies have you had in the last 5 years? If you have had more than one community management company in the last 5 years, I need you to mark that down. Taking a look at the 3 questions that I just asked on whether or not you have the budget, are you reserved, and do you continue to move management companies? I think it's vital that the board ask themselves, what is it that we can do better to make our next community management company more successful? Primarily because if there isn't the money to perform the responsibilities that are obligated by the board, you can't expect that the management company is going to be able to meet those needs. So changing management firms is only going to put you even further behind. So you may want to take a look at that before choosing to leave your current management company. And if you can take a moment to say, all right, these are the things that we can do better as a board, which is meet financial obligations, or perhaps there are internal struggles between the board or between the board and owners, see if you can resolve some of those situations first, because a new management company coming in is not going to be as familiar, and it's going to actually put you behind a little bit more. So I think that's vital when determining whether or not you want to trade your community association management company. If you're interested in getting additional coaching on this, please feel free to give me a call. I'm willing to work with you and your board as a consultant to help you understand what some things are that you can do as a board and what the options are in the industry for you to set yourself up for better success. So at any time, you can always reach out to me. Bringing you 21 years of experience in community association management, I know I can be a resource to you. So feel free to reach out, James Fifer at accuinc.com, or give me a call anytime, 303-339-9691.